In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on Wix. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to create a column layout using Wix's built-in tools, so your content looks organized and professional on any page. First, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left side, look for the plus icon, often labeled Add Elements. Click that to open the Elements panel. This is your starting point for building anything on a page, and it's where Wix keeps the section you'll use for columns. From the Elements panel, click Strip. In Wix, a strip is a full-width section that stretches across the page. It's the foundation for structured layouts, and it's the recommended container for columns because it handles spacing and responsiveness reliably. Using a strip helps keep your design consistent, especially when you switch between desktop and mobile views. Next, click Classic within the strip options. The Classic category gives you simple, versatile strips without heavy styling, so you can shape them to match your design. Think of it as a clean slate that's easy to customize with text, images, and buttons later. Now, select a template from the Classic strip choices, then drag and drop it onto your page. As you drag, watch for positioning guides that help you align the strip where you want it. When you release it, the strip will snap into place. This ensures your section stays neatly arranged with the rest of your content and follows your site's overall layout grid. With the strip on your page, click the layout icon. You'll see this when the strip is selected. It typically appears as part of the floating controls near the strip. The layout controls are where you tell Wix how to divide this strip, and they're the key to turning a plain section into a multi-column design. Finally, click Add Column. The editor will instantly split your strip by inserting a new column, giving you separate spaces side by side. This is ideal for comparing features, pairing text with images, or creating balanced content blocks without manually aligning elements. Columns keep spacing uniform and make it easier to maintain visual hierarchy across your page. As you work, remember that strips and columns are responsive by design, so your layout will adapt more gracefully on smaller screens, helping your content remain readable and tidy. And that's it. You click the plus icon to add elements, chose strip, selected Classic, dragged a template onto the page, opened the layout controls, and added a column. Use this approach whenever you want a clean, consistent multi-column layout in Wix.